Yeah, guys, what we got out here, this is our nice little area. Got the Corvette out, gonna shoot some videos today. Everybody has a nice little patch of like wine vineyard looking thing, like grapes and stuff. Oh, shoot. Hey, man. Hey, are you okay?
No, I'm not okay, because today we're going to be shooting the 5 things I hate about my C8 Corvette.
That's a GTR gap right there, baby!
All right, so we're gonna kick off today's list of the 5 things that I hate the most about my C8 Corvette, and the first thing is this right here. So the thing that I hate about this is the fact that it actually looks like a dolphin's beak nose thing, or like a swordfish or whatever. And what makes it even funnier is if you come around to the driver's side, this actually, to me, it looks like a dolphin or a shark or some kind of fish with its mouth wide open. Like, this is the eyeball right here, and this is like a beak of some sort, and its mouth right here. See, my hand's going in its mouth. So every time I look at a C8 Corvette, all I can see is this cartoon character of a bird fish thing, and I don't like it.
I didn't see that until you pointed it out.
I know. All right, second item on today's list is in the C8 Corvette, there's really like not a lot of space. And I know it's like, well, what would you expect? It's a Corvette. However, let's say you're going on a long trip and you have a passenger and they've got their laptop out and they're working, they're doing their thing, and then they're done with it, they close their laptop, and then it's like, where do I put it? There's nowhere to put it. There's nothing in the back. There's no shelf. There's no nothing. So you'd have to either like put your laptop on the floor, which I don't know if I'd recommend, or keep it in your lap, or you'd have to pull over, open the frunk or open the trunk and put your item, or laptop in this case, away. And that's not really convenient. So I wish that there was like a place back here where you could kind of put like maybe 1 or 2 really, really, really small items. Number 3 is, in this naturally aspirated V8, the power band is very linear. And what that means is you're not gonna get like a boost or any type of like turbo lag or anything like that. When you put your foot down, the power band just kind of moves like this across the RPM range. And what that does is it means you're not really gonna be feeling all of the power. Now you hear the power and you look down at your speedometer and you can see that you're going 70 or 80 miles an hour just like that, but you don't feel it. And I absolutely want to feel that in a car, which is the main reason for me why I buy sports cars, is for that feeling. So this car kind of lacks that feeling, and that's kind of a big downer for me. All right, so number 4 is the way that you open these car doors. So if I sit and I push this button right here, it opens the door, but look, I'm still holding it down and I can't open the door. I have to press it again to get it all the way, or you kind of have to like do it all in like one swift motion. But for me, I don't do it fast enough. Like, the natural way I do it is not fast enough. So I'm always having to push this button 2 times. So I don't know if this is like a car problem or like a Jeff problem, but either way, I don't like it. And number 5 on today's list is, this car has a ton of blind spots. So if you're an old school driver like myself, you're really used to looking over your shoulder to see if there's a car behind you. And in this car, you literally can't see anything. Like, I'm just getting like this pillar back here, and that is it. So you have to rely on this mirror up here. And here's the cool thing about the mirror. So if I look at this mirror, I can't really see anything behind me, so I have to engage the camera in the back, which I absolutely love that feature, but you have to rely on it. This is the only way that you can see anything behind you. So luckily, it's such a wide view that it does cover the blind spots if you were to look over your shoulder, but it takes some getting used to. There was an adjustment period that I really had to get used to. So the blind spots on this car can make this car seem a little intimidating because you can't always see what you're looking for. So once you get used to relying on this, it gets better. But for me, if the blind spots weren't so bad, I think that would be a better way to go. I think that would be a better thing. It would be better. It would be better if the blind spots weren't so bad. And that is it. That has been my comprehensive list of the 5 things that I hate about my C8 Corvette. So if you're thinking about buying a Corvette, please consider these items. They're really not that big of a deal, and to be perfectly honest, I do actually really like this car, and coming up with this list was actually a bit of a challenge. But with all of that being said, this video has come to an end, and I really hope you guys are enjoying this series and this particular installment of the 30 videos in 30 days. But with all of that said, we're done here. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Yeah.